Hello, folks. My name is Yasin. I'm a tech motivator. I'm an IT technician. I'm a digital marketer. I welcome you all to our lesson, building an online e-commerce with WhatsApp using what hash or vepaar. And from our previous lessons, we've learned how to create accounts, how to log into the account, how to build a business profile. Today, we're looking at how to build a store. And I hope and believe that um, we are familiar with this interface that we're looking at. And our focus is going to be on the store. So when you look at the store, we have a lot of options there, but our focus is going to be basically on four areas. One, categories. Two, products. Three, payments. And lastly, checkouts. And the reason is so simple. Categories, we are trying to build the categories of business that our enterprise or our entity belongs to, whether fashion, real estate, construction, technology, safety, health, and what have you. You can decide. But this one allows you to create the categories yourself from the scratch. Then afterwards, we start adding products to them. Then we look at how payment is going to be done by customers, and finally how they check out after um, making choices of the product that they want. So guys, let's get started. So you tap on categories, that is number one. When you tap on categories, you wait for it. I have some categories here already, but then the easier way is just tap on the plus sign to enter a category. So when you tap on the plus sign, you have to look at what is the name of your category. If your category is fashion, we just type in fashion, then we create. Tap in fashion and create. Then you can see on top we have fashion, and the status is what, active. Okay, then let's look at after fashion, let's look at construction. Okay, let's look at construction. Okay, then we're done. We create construction also because there are a lot of people also into the construction industry. Then we look at also, in addition, let's look at arts. Let's look at arts. Then we create a category for arts. So these are, we can go on and on to create more categories depending on the nature of businesses that we are having. So let's create another category called education or training. Okay, and you create. Okay, so this is how we create our categories. And I'm really sure that everyone is okay when it comes to creating categories. In case you have even entered a wrong category, you can easily edit the category. Let's say, for example, if I didn't want to have lifestyle, I just type on lifestyle, then it appears. Then I tap on this option to change the name. So I can just change the name to maybe probably modeling. Change it to modeling, then I save. Then it will be reflected as soon as it is saved. You can see modeling here. So that's simply how we create um, categories. So now we're going back to adding products to this category. So I am returning, and we have returned back to the builder interface, and we're looking at products. So we'll tap on product option. So when you tap on product option, you are going to have this crop categories. The categories, you can find them on top. You can see arts, construction, fashion, real estate, modeling, So we realize that we have not added anything to these ones. But when it comes to modeling, we have something like a clipper that is added to it. Security, we have some few items added on security. So let's assume we have decided to choose, let's say, training. Okay, so and we have nothing. As you can see, this place is empty. You haven't added any product, so we click on add a product. So when you click on add product, this information pops up. A product is a unique, just trying to tell you what a product stands for. So we are simply trying to add the product, simple product. So then we come to this point and said uh, the name of the product. Remember, we are in a training categories, so I'll just give it as digital marketing. Digital marketing in the category of what? Training. This is where you can choose your category from. So, but I want a category from training. Then what is the price? The price is 300. 300. You have, this is CDs. You can choose regular, that we have regular price, which is optional, and we have selling price. So if you are not running any promo, you can still maintain the same. Okay, then you have the selling price. Then we have allow multiple quantity in cart, which is active. Then we'll maintain that. Measurement, no, we don't have any measurement when it comes to that. The next thing we'll have to do with photos. Let's add photos of the product. We choose from gallery. From my gallery, so I've chosen this as my number one, training picture. Um, let me see what is next for me to add. Oh, okay, this one is just, I'm just trying to add, and I tap on this to accept. The next one I choose from gallery. Then if I from my camera, I choose on this and I add. So okay, so I'm just assuming maybe two, you can add more. Then here you add a description of what the product. Okay, then I'll just say learn how to become a digital marketer. A digital digital marketer. Digital marketer. Okay, then I'll come to this one. SQ. SQ will have to do with stock keeping units. So stock keeping units. Then the other one is link for the details of the product. If the product has another detail somewhere, maybe probably on a different site, you can paste the link here. But if in case the product has no any other link apart from direct from this, then there's no problem, you maintain that. Then we come to here, out of stock. Now the status is active. If in case the product is out of stock, you are going to activate this. When you activate this, when people are trying to purchase from it, then they will see that the product is out of stock. But now we have it in stock, so we'll deactivate the out of stock option. Then when we're done with this, we tap on create. We tap on create. So we wait for it to be created. And okay, so the products have been created successfully under training. We have digital marketing, and we do that fine. Then if we decide we are going to add another product, we tap on the plus sign. Then we have variables. A product is available in different sizes, color, or measurement. So if the product type you are using are in different variables, then you use what, the second one for it. You tap on the next one. So we have the simple and we have the variables. You remember the first one, we use the simple products and we entered. Now this is if your products have variables, that you use this particular variable. So now we have something like this. We are under art, and we are talking about the name of the this thing maybe portraits. Portraits. Then category is arts. So I choose arts. Regular price no. Selling price 500 Ghana cedis. Then photos, which they say is optional. I choose from gallery. I go to downloads. Um, I get my portraits here. Portraits, Islamic portraits. Then I load. I add more pictures. Come to gallery, and I move to okay. I choose no this. Then I load. Okay, these are just portraits. Then I come to this. Then I can just okay. Beautiful Islamic portraits. Beautiful Islamic design portraits. Okay, then when I'm done, I come to this one link as usual. No, then no. Okay, then I create. I create. Okay, soon as I go to the art column, I'll see what I've just done created. Okay, you can see. So because this one is a variable, it tells you that there are different types. So you can see below the product, it said that starting from 500 Ghana cedis because they are in different size. So they are in different prices. That is why we have this. So this is how we add products. You continue to add the products one after the other based on the categories and that they belongs to. We continue to add the products one after the other until you are able to exhaust all product that you have available. I have added more products here. As you can see, we have more products under security. We have more products under some products under technology, which is 4G router, and health. We have in handheld USB infrared thermometer type, but it is out of stock. So this is how you build your categories along with your products. So guys, this is where we are going to end our lesson for today. I thank you for watching.